Most photographers look for subjects. Great photographers look for light. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire photography one 60-second tip at a time. Before you press the shutter, stop and look at the light, because light is often the first thing that tells you whether a photo is worth taking or worth waiting for. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. Where is the light coming from? What is it doing to shape and form? Is it helping the story or fighting it? And here's the thing, don't just look at the light as it is. Imagine what it could become. What happens if a cloud moves? What happens if the sun drops a little lower? What happens if someone walks into that pool of light? That's what visualization is all about. Experienced photographers often look patient, but they're not doing nothing. They're waiting with intent. And when the light finally does something magical, they're ready. If you'd like to learn more about visualization and planning your shots before you press the shutter, check out episode 8 of my Ultimate Checklist series here. So remember, average photographers react to light. Great photographers anticipate it. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.